at the end of another schoolboy football season with just the Olivier Shield to play. Of course, it's that time of the season when we evaluate the elite individual talent level, that odd player or two that we think can move to the next level. Now, while there were some well-organized teams, plus some outstanding teams such as Jamaica College and Glenmuir High, who ironically never won the Manning Cup or the Da Costa Cup, plus there were some very talented individual players on show. But sorry to say, we never saw that wow player this season, a baller we could come afar to get into the national team right away or to rush off to the leagues of England. We're not seeing that whisper-like or Kaheem Dixon-like buzz. Nevertheless, some good, workable talent was on show, even as the search and the journey continues.